Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Spicy Tina's Vlogs. So today I will be looking about some barbecue chicken. Well, I'm gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna do some baked chicken. Yeah, some baked chicken in the oven. Yeah, so I washed the meat already, and here I have some grated onion and garlic. That is what I'm gonna put on the chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna bake it or barbecue it. Yeah, and this is the seasoning that I will be adding to it. Some seasoning to the bone. It coming like jerk seasoning. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna add some of this to it too as well, and a little salt, and we're good to go. So I'm gonna add first the grated onion and garlic to the meat. So now guys, I'm gonna add the onion and the garlic to the meat and season it up. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add the powder seasoning to it. There it is. Sprinkle it right over. And then I'm gonna add a tip of salt to it as well. Sprinkle a tip of salt. Not much, but just a little tot on it. Yeah. And then I'm gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Like a kneading flour, kneading the seasoning into the meat. Yeah, there it is. Make sure everything is in the chicken. So you massage in the seasoning in the chicken as much as you can. There it is. Massage in the chicken as much as you can. Yeah, make sure the season is well in there. Yeah. You want your chicken to taste good, don't it? Have a nice flavor. So when I'm finished rubbing in the seasoning this now, I'm gonna preheat the oven and grease the baking sheet or the baking pan that I'm gonna put it on. Yeah. And then when the oven is well hot, I'm gonna put the chicken in the pan, grease the pan, put in the chicken, and put it in the oven. So there it is guys. I finished seasoning the meat. So yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna let this marinate for about 20 minutes or a little longer, and then I'm gonna preheat the oven, grease the pan, and put the chicken on the pan and then put it in the oven. Yeah, so there it is. So yeah, there's the chicken, well seasoned. So I'm gonna put it in the pan now, and after a while when it's finished marinating, I'm gonna put it in the pan. So I'm gonna let it rest there for a while, and for about, yeah, like about 20 minutes or so. So there it is. So I'm gonna let it rest for a while now, and then I preheat the oven. Okay. Yeah. So guys, it's been 20 minutes now and the meat is now marinated. So here I have the glass. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna bake the chicken in. Yeah, it coming like a Pyrex dish, but it's more of a baking roasting pan like you roast chicken or baked chicken in. Yeah. So I throw some oil in there, some cooking oil, and that's what I use to grease it. And you rub it right around the edges and corner of the pan so that the meat don't stick down in there and burn. So you rub it right across the edge of the bowl. Yeah, there it is. Rub it right across. Yeah. So everything is rubbed right across. So now I'm going to add the meat piece by piece. Yeah, there it is. Place them in piece by piece. Press them in piece by piece. Yeah, place them in piece by piece. Like that. Yeah. And there you have it. Now you're going to place them in the oven. Yeah, like that. So there it is. I place them in the bowl. So now I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for around 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, so I have to check on it for it to bake, and then I'm going to make a sauce for it that the chicken can get some color. So now I'm going to place the chicken in the oven. There it is. It's in the oven now. Yeah. So I'm going to leave it there to bake, and then I'm going to add the sauce to it when it's almost cooked. I'm going to make the sauce and add to it so it can get the brown color. So there it is. So guys, I'm gonna start making the sauce now. So what I'll be using is some ketchup. There it is, some ketchup, some browning, and some seasoning. We call season to the bone. That's the season that I will be using. That's the name of it. So I put some ketchup, not too much, and a little seasoning to it. There it is, to taste, and some browning, not much either. And then you add a little tip of water to it, not much either, as you don't want the sauce to water out. And then you mix it out. Yeah, you mix it out and mix it out. Make sure everything is combined together, everything is mixed well together. There it is. There it is, there, look. Yeah, this is the sauce that you rub on the chicken, or if you have a brush, you can brush it on there. And this will give the chicken a nice brown, moist texture on top, on the skin, on the outside, and a nice flavor as well. If you want, you can put some ginger extract or some grated ginger in there to give it some flavor. I can use a little orange juice too as well in there to give it a little taste. So that's how you make the sauce.